Welcome back to this channel, guys. What you're watching is not just a comparison of numbers, it's a financial health check of Singapore's entire economy. This bar chart race tracks the current ratio of companies across industries, showing how well different sectors can meet short-term obligations using short-term assets. In simple terms, it tells us which industries are financially flexible, which are tightly stretched, and how this balance has evolved as Singapore transformed from an industrial economy into a global services hub. In the mid-1990s, information and communications rises to the top of the chart, reflecting the early digital boom. This was the era when Singapore aggressively invested in telecommunications, IT infrastructure, and nationwide connectivity. Companies in this sector held strong short-term assets as governments and businesses rushed to adopt computers, mobile networks, and the internet. High liquidity during this period shows how cash-rich and expansion-ready these firms were, positioning Singapore as a regional tech and communications hub before the dot-com bubble reshaped the industry. From 2000 to 2004, manufacturing rises decisively to the top of the chart, highlighting Singapore's role as a resilient global production hub during a turbulent period. While the dot-com bubble bursts and technology valuations collapse, manufacturing, especially electronics, semiconductors, and precision engineering, remains financially strong. These companies benefit from long-term contracts, export-driven demand, and highly efficient supply chains. Strong cash management, controlled inventories, and disciplined cost structures allow the sector to preserve high liquidity even as other industries face uncertainty. This dominance reflects how Singapore's industrial base acts as a stabilizer, cushioning the economy when speculative sectors weaken. From 2004 to 2006, the Others category takes center stage in Singapore's industry chart. But what exactly is Others? It's a mix of smaller yet vital sectors, including agriculture, fishing and forestry, mining and quarrying, utilities like electricity and water supply, public administration and defense, education, health and social services, arts and entertainment, community and personal services, and even niche industries or households as employers. While each of these sectors is relatively small on its own, together they form a substantial portion of Singapore's workforce during this period. Their dominance reflects the city-state's ongoing shift from a purely industrial economy toward a more diverse, service-oriented structure. Public services, healthcare, education, and community-focused industries expand steadily, supporting a growing population and modernizing society. Manufacturing steadily reasserts its dominance from around 2006 all the way to 2023. This resurgence is powered by Singapore's focus on high-value, technology-driven industries. Electronics, precision engineering, biomedical manufacturing, chemicals, and even aerospace components become major contributors to employment and economic growth. Unlike earlier periods when traditional manufacturing relied heavily on labor-intensive processes, this era is defined by innovation, automation, and high-tech expertise. The chart shows manufacturing steadily climbing back to the top, reflecting not only its resilience, but also Singapore's ability to adapt and maintain global competitiveness. While the service sectors continue to expand and diversify, manufacturing demonstrates that industrial strength remains vital to the economy. It's not just factories and production lines, it's research labs, clean rooms, and high-tech plants that employ a skilled workforce, generating products for both local needs and global markets. This period highlights the synergy between technology, human talent, and industrial strategy, creating a robust backbone that supports Singapore's broader economic ecosystem. As we approach 2023, the chart paints a picture of balance and complexity. The smaller sectors once grouped under Others continue to provide essential services, while manufacturing anchors the economy with innovation and productivity. Together, they show a workforce that is versatile, resilient, and forward-looking. Watching the chart, we can appreciate not just the rise and fall of industries, but the story of a nation that evolves, adapts, and thrives. Each industry, whether large or small, contributes to the nation's growth and shapes the daily lives of millions. This journey shows us that economic progress isn't just about the biggest sectors or the flashiest numbers. It's about balance, adaptation, and the interplay between tradition and innovation, between services that care for people and industries that build the future. Every rise and fall in this chart represents real people, real jobs, and the relentless drive of a nation moving forward. Thank you for watching this journey through Singapore's industries over the years. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating bar chart race stories. Your support helps us bring more data to life, showing the hidden stories behind the numbers. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.